Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. Hope you are doing well. So in this video we are going to see how we can edit loan in the loan approval process. So just have a look. So from the search bar I will search one customer. So this customer is Sandeep. Now let's click to the loan. So from here I have added some scheme, that is fortnightly scheme. So for, let's say, amount is 10,000 and just calculate. So here you can see installment is 1497 and I will just, here I have added some fees and charges, that is membership charges, document charges. So from here, for, let's say, I want to delete this CGST and processing fee. So this both 300 I will keep and just I will save this loan as on 2nd March. So I will just click to save. After that, it will go to the customer loan approval. So just refresh and check the loan status. So here you can see this loan is from 2nd March to 10 June 2021. So here charges applied is 300. Now I want to change the disbursement date and the charges as well. So I will just click to the edit loan. So it will come again to the loan edit form. So from here now I will just change this document charges. I will just delete this and I add the document charges, let's say 400, and I will just add it. So you can see total document charges 600 now. And here the installment start date I can keep this for, let's say, 1st of March 2021. So I will just save this loan. Loan is edited to the sent approval process. Now in customer loan approval, I will just go to the new request. So here you can see now charges is 600 and date also changed to the 1st of March. Now I can approve this loan and change the status. So after that, just go to the new request approved section, and from here I can just approve and disburse loan this manually, or I can just click to the edit loan again if you want to edit another again any future. So just I will go to the loan approval and the approved section and just disburse this loan manually. So loan number 14 is created. Now let's search this loan number 14 from the search bar. So here you can see loan is created 1st of March, and if I go and check the passbook, here you can see 600 applied, charges 10,000 loan given, and interest is 667. So this type we can simply edit the loan and edit loan and approve loan from the loan approval process. So thank you friends for watching this video, and for more videos I will come back. Don't forget to like our channel from YouTube. Have a great day.